Hi everyone, Ian here again, and today I'm going to be unboxing the new DJI Mavic Air. It's only been out a short while. There's already been a lot of discussion as to whether or not it's a glorified Spark or a scaled down Mavic Pro. I'll be going through all of those details in another video that I'm making at the moment, but just for today I'm just going to be doing the unboxing and showing you exactly what you get inside the box. Very smart carry case, a little box of something, remote control, and another little box of something. Straight off, I have to say I'm quite impressed. First time I've opened this. They supply you with a very nice little carry case for it. Look at that. It's like a baby brother of the Mavic. I think first off, it's fairly obvious. You've seen plenty of comparisons, I'm sure, to the Mavic. I did think the Mavic was very small. I've got a little Parrot Mambo as well, and that really is small, but it doesn't fold up. This is smaller than the Spark in that the arms fold up nicely. And so compared with the Mavic, you can see there's quite a significant size difference. So similar to the Mavic, one set of propellers folds out and the other flip down. Unlike the Mavic, propellers do not fold. It also has handy little legs. That was always the bane of my life with the Mavic. You're always trying to find somewhere flat to take off from. For me, one of the biggest improvements they've made is the redesigned gimbal. I always thought the Mavic's gimbal was far too exposed and far too easy to hit something and break. This is far better protected. If it was going to hit something, it's going to hit the body rather than the actual gimbal itself. It's still a 3-axis gimbal. You're still going to get very smooth video as the drone tosses and turns in the wind, but unlike the Mavic, it's going to be far better protected. The remotes look pretty much the same size. They are indeed. One of the big differences though is that the sticks for these fold away inside, unlike these, which were always a bit of a pain whenever you were traveling. A little bit surprised that they left off the LCD display from here. But to be honest, I always fly with a smartphone. That gives you all the information you need. I really don't see it being an issue at all. So what else do you get in the box? Well, like I said, you get a very nice smart little carry case. You also get a full set of propeller guards, which are really useful, especially if you're starting out. You brush up against anything, normally the propellers will stop dead and that's it. Game over, your drone will fall down onto the ground. Propeller guards do kind of give you a bit of a second chance. More often than not, it'll be that hits whatever it is you're brushing up against. Propellers will still keep on turning and you won't actually lose control or lose the drone. In addition, you also get a full set of spare propellers. So you'll have the 2 white and 2 black, which correspond to the sets of propellers you get with the Mavic itself. And finally, it's got the usual charger and USB. The charger is similar to the Mavic Pro. You've still got the 2 USB outlets. Unfortunately, the contact is different, the battery is different, so you can't use your Mavic Pro's charger to charge up the Mavic Air's batteries, unfortunately. Which is a bit of a shame because I've also got a car charger so I can charge on the go when I'm out for the day. It means I'm going to have to buy another one of those now, but so be it. So there you go, a bit of a shorter video, but I just wanted to go through exactly what you get in each of the packages. So as I said, this is the basic package. It's got everything you need to get up in the air. You've got the travel case, you've got the drone itself, spare propellers, obviously the remote control, USB-C, the phone connectors, the charger, and the full set of prop guards as well. You can pay an extra £200 or $200 for the combo version. That will come with 2 extra batteries and another 2 sets of propellers as well. Also has a power bank adapter for your battery and a charging hub because you get a total of 3 batteries. So there you go, that's the differences between the 2 packages, but like I said, if you go for the basic package, you still get everything you need with a few spares to get yourself up in the air. So just a quick video today. As I said, I just wanted to go through exactly what you get in the box and the difference between the basic and the combo package. Over the next few days, I'm going to be putting this through its paces outside, seeing exactly what its capabilities are, and of course doing some comparisons between this and my Mavic Pro. So I'll be making that video very shortly. Just tick the little subscribe button and the bell to get notified of when I put up a new video. Until then, have fun, happy flying. Cheers.